for a mad one today. New chassis leg from FCSS. So we had a bit of a nightmare with the address and that, but they got it sorted and I actually got it next day, so thanks for that guys, big up. Thought I wasn't going to get it till Monday. It was supposed to come yesterday, but the address was, I think we got the postcodes mixed up. But yeah, got it sent out to me next day. So we'll get into that and we'll get that on. Road panel. That was a bit that was sort of water before. She's still looking clean as fuck. It's pretty dirty. Hasn't been started for a while. So that's the section we need to get out. First start in for ages. First time, every time. Feel the pulse of the engine. It's like a heartbeat through the fucking steering wheel. Just slightly, but like you can. It's just going to be a beast when I touch road with this. Redline in the thing. It's going to be mad. So this is its new home for now. Seems like a place where spiders come and die, to be honest with you. But it will do. It's not as good as my old guys, but it keeps her dry. She won't be getting rusted up. There's just dead spiders everywhere. But it will keep her dry, man. Do you know what I mean? That's all you need, really. Keep her dry, and then hopefully we'll be able to crack on with the build still. I won't be able to weld in that here because I ain't got electricity, so that is the only one downer, but we're going to try do that front part here. Should be able to bring tools and just bang that bit out and get that front section, the chassis leg kind of thing back on, and other bits and pieces I should be able to do it, like the fucking cam belt, water pump. Should be able to do all of that stuff. It's just literally welding, so I know it's been a while, but things been up in the air. Obviously, as you can see, we're here now, and normally we wouldn't be here. So, but yeah, man, we need to get this build done. And I ain't giving up. I'm gonna keep pushing. We will get this done, and then we are gonna move on to a next build as well. We're gonna have another sick build. We're just gonna keep the builds coming, keep them for a while, sell them. This one is obviously the keeper of keepers. This ain't going nowhere, but we're gonna be banging out the builds 100%. The funny thing is, yeah, there's actually an MR2, yeah, literally around the corner. And I'm literally thinking about asking the mate here, because like the mate that's renting me this garage knows the guy that owns it or something like that. And it looks like it's been sat out there a few years or two, yeah. And I like them. I think they're alright. So I might ask him if it's for sale and that, because it looks like he ain't doing nothing with it. He doesn't even put a car cover over it. It's been sat there for a while. He probably just wants to get rid of it. So I'll be on that, mate. If the price is right, I'll buy that for the channel. Do you know what I mean? That would be a bad second build, but you know, I want something. Yeah, I want something a little bit different, not the standard. Everyone's already like got this car on channels already before. I mean, I'm not bothered. I just want to get something alright. So maybe that will be the one, but we'll see. We'll see. But we need to finish this first, and then on to the next build, 100%. So we're gonna go try and fix the radiator on the A3. I done that side bit where there was a bit of rot, cut it out, put in a new section. I sprayed that, so I'll show you a bit of that. So you can see underneath the paint is all just rot really. Underneath it as well is the same, loads of rust and rot. So I pulled that bit off, then I cut the section out and just cleaned it up a little bit, got all the rot from underneath out as well, and then just got on with kind of welding on a new section. Just gonna spray that up. I need to weld this bolt back in. So that's there. And then I've tried to weld this hole in the radiator, or like rad pipe, which keeps leaking still. So we're going to take that bit out and try and weld it ourselves and get it all sorted. So let's go do it. Let's do it. So I'll try to weld it. I'm definitely going to replace that with a Jubilee clip. Those things are so stupid and hard to get off. And then there's one more on this side. And a bolt underneath there. Can't really see it. These things are such a nightmare. There we go.
what you could have done is you could have jacked the front up, couldn't you?
Yeah, but the drive's not straight. The drive's not.
I know, but if you jacked it up here, there's no way
I just don't like doing it when it's not flat, because it can run. We've just got to put that bolt in now. Fresh paint. She's fresh, mate. She's always fresh, mate. I have not started her 4 times, so hopefully she'll just start up straight away. So let's try it and see what happens. Spider webs, mate. She's clean. Double spider webs in there. She's right. This one's straight on. Check she ain't in gear. Check she ain't in gear. Fucking hell, boys. She ain't started for time, bruv. Mate, that's buzzing. Let her run for about an hour, half hour. Bruv, what the fuck? There's literally just a spider there chilling. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's floating there on my seat, thinking everything's calm, bruv. How's it thinking? Mate, your life's about to end. Right now. Just chilling there like everything's all good. Spidering up my car. That's what happens, bro. That is what happens, bro. Tell your boys, innit? What happened to you, innit? I fucking love this fucking car, man. This car is just the fucking don of all dons. Balls deep in a resto, mate. So balls deep in it. Literally, like, balls deep in it, man. But we're gonna get it done. Thanks everyone who subscribed and stuck with us through the long journey. You know, there's been a few setbacks, and like now there's been a few months setbacks, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get there, and we're 100% gonna get it done and get it complete. And yeah, man, this will be my show car when it's done. Jeez, 20VTurbo on that. Yummy. This will be the one, mate. We'll be on that car shows and that. You wanna know it's me, bro. So much, but so little to be done. Do you know what I mean? It's just little things, but then it all adds up. Oh, it's only this, it's only that. But it all adds up to time, man, and days of work. But I just need to get cracking back on with it, really. I need to get that front section sprayed sprint blue, because I don't want it to be black, and the rest of the engine bay is like sprint blue for it to stick out. And I want to really do those other bits as well, so it's all the same colour, but